In this video, I'll detail how to remove Google accounts from Android phone. So if you're using an Android phone and you have multiple Google accounts added to your Android phone, then you may want to remove the one you're not using or the one you don't want to keep on your Android phone. So this could be for security reason or whatever reason you have. This video is going to walk you through. So if I don't know this video, if you found this very helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to remove Google account from your Android phone, all you just need to do is go to your Android phone settings. Then on the settings page, you want to scroll down and click on Google. This is going to open the Google services on your Android phone. So the setup might be different though, but the process gives the same result. Now, under the Google services, then click on this pointed arrow and choose the Google account you want to remove from your Android phone from the list of available Google accounts on the page. So here, I'm just going to go ahead and remove this particular Google account. Then once you click on that, click on this pointed arrow again, click on manage account on this device. Then once you selected that, once you scroll down and locate the particular Google account, click on this. Then here you'll be taken to where to synchronize and where to remove the Google account from your Android phone. Go ahead and click on remove account. Then you see what that says, removing this account will delete all of its messages, contacts, and other data from this device. Do you want to proceed? Go ahead and click on continue. Then hang on. If you now come back here in the Google Center, then you discover that the Google account has been removed. You see that? So this is how you can easily remove or delete Google account on Android phones. If you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.